In this clip, I'll be pitting the dates. So when choosing dates and shopping for dates, it's important to have minimal wrinkles in the skin. Some wrinkles are okay, but making sure that the skin is smooth and glossy and that the date is really plump. Dates are harvested in the fall and they're sweet and they're great for the cold, drying winds of winter. So I'm just cutting the date in half, and then you'll find the pit right in the middle. You can just remove it. So we've got the dates in fairly small pieces here. And you can see it's sticky enough so that it may even stick to the knife that you're working with. And if that happens, you can dip the knife in some warm water. So there we have the dates. Now I'll take the dates and we'll add them to our syrup and spice mixture. And I'm just going to mix them in here